Alright, I got this Troy built lawnmower with the Honda GVC, GVC, I can't remember which engine on it, that will not start. It has a fresh tank of ethanol-free gas. And choke on. It's getting fuel. Let's test and see if it gets spark. So this is a little spark tester. You can get it for like 10 bucks at the auto parts store or order one online. It's got a little light bulb inside there. And you basically hook this side to your spark plug and this side to the plug that usually sticks on your spark plug. And when you pull the cord or try to start it, if the ignition coil is working and sending voltage to the spark plug, this will light up. And it'll actually pulse with the ignition voltage. So let's put that on there. Unplug the spark plug wire. Plug in connector. Now we'll pull the cord and see if that lights up. Hopefully you could see that. It was lighting up, so that means we're getting spark too. So we got fuel, we got spark. Now we gotta see if we got compression. We're gonna take the spark tester off and leave the spark plug disconnected because we're going to mess with the blade now. So to test for compression, first of all we're going to take the blade brake off. I'm just going to use this little clamp here and tuck the handle under this chair. Alright. This lets us, this moldy junk coming out from under there. This lets us get up under here and look at the blade. And what we're going to do, double checking that the spark plug is unhooked. The brake is off. We're going to try to spin this around. And it should only spin like a quarter turn or something, quarter turn, half turn at the most maybe, and bounce right back if it has compression. So it does not bounce back at all. It just spins and stops. This tells us it has no compression, which probably means one of the valves is stuck open. So this covers the valves up right there. That's the valve cover. We're going to take it off and take a look what's in there. So before I even take this off, I think I can see what the problem is. I don't know if you can see it. There's this reflection, but it appears someone has run into something with the valve cover. So this probably should be flush, and so it should be like out here. But it is dented in, so it's probably holding the valves open underneath there. So we got to take that off, and hopefully all we have to do is bang this out. Everything will be working again. There we go. that, it has a little timing belt. I didn't even know that. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, look at there. You can see the 2 oil dots right there that were holding down the valves. Right there. So let's just bang out this cover and put it back on, I guess. Let's go pick up some RTV sealant. So all it takes is holding those valves open just the least little bit for it to have no compression. Those things have to be pretty much totally closed for the thing to ignite. So that was probably just touching and just keeping them cracked open. But we'll get that fixed. I think that'll work. You know what, I don't have any RTV sealant at the moment, so I'm just going to put this thing on there without it temporarily, just to see if we fix the problem. And if it runs, then I'll just take this back off and scrape it with the razor blade and coat that and put it back together. I'm not tightening these really tight at first. I'm just getting them to make contact. And I'll tighten them. Alright, let's put the spark plug back on. Spark plug wire. And give her a pull. Well, I guess that was the problem. Valve stuck open because of a smashed valve cover. So here we go, ultra black gasket maker. So I'm right on the rag, shop towel. And you break these open with the point that's in the top of this. Like that. And just put a light smattering on there. Well, let's put it on. And that should be good.